But she did the act out too. She was like, you ever seen somebody baptized? I said, no, wait, mama, wait a minute. 3 times. She said, yes, on the concrete. Father, Son, 2 times for the Holy Ghost.
I make fun of my parents a lot because they're crazy. My mother-in-law hates it. She says, don't make fun of your parents. They gave you life. I'm like, yeah, with no parole.
We took my mom to see The Passion of Christ and they kicked her out. She was sitting there through the whole movie screaming, run, Jesus, run!
I will dance, I will sing, to be mad for my King. Nothing, Lord, is hindering this passion in my soul. I will dance, I will sing, to be mad for my King. Nothing, Lord, is hindering this passion in my soul. I will dance, I will sing, to be mad for my King. Nothing, Lord, is hindering this passion in my soul.
Hold on!
Can you relate? Just have faith. What's God? You gotta hold on. Can you relate? Just have faith, my darling, y'all.
We will remember. We will remember. We will remember the works of your hand.
Turn our hearts from earthly idols. Turn our eyes to you, Lord. Only you can heal what's broken. Only you can restore. We are daughters, we are sons, all because of what you've done. You have saved us. You have raised us up with you. You have saved us, called us out and made us new. Yeah, yeah, you have saved us. Yeah. How about a little joyful noise? Woo! Yeah. We are daughters, we are sons, all because of what you